Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DevIfm. In today's tutorial, we'll create an interactive 3D rotating wireframe cube using just HTML and CSS. Let me show you what we'll build today. This animation can also be used as a unique loading indicator by adjusting its size. Excited? Let's dive right in. First, we'll set up the basic HTML structure. This will include a container for the cube and 6 child elements representing the cube faces. Here's our HTML skeleton. Inside the body, let's create a div with the class container. This will hold our cube. Next, we'll create another div inside it with the class cube. This will be our actual cube. Finally, we'll add 6 child divs inside the cube for the cube faces: front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. With the HTML ready, let's move to styling using CSS. First, we style the body. Let's center the cube using Flexbox, set the background color to a dark shade, and add a subtle texture. Next, let's style the dot container to add perspective. The property perspective 1000 pixels creates a sense of depth for our 3D cube. The dot cube needs transform style preserved 3D to ensure all its faces stay in 3D space. We'll also add an animation for rotation. We'll use keyframes to define the rotate cube animation. The cube will rotate 360 degrees along both the X and Y axes. Now, let's style the 6 cube faces. We'll start by setting a border for the wireframe look and a background with gradients to give a glowing effect. Next, position each face using transform. For example, the front face is placed with rotate Y 0 degrees and translates Y 150 pixels, while the back face is rotated 180 degrees. Finally, we'll create an animation called wireframe draw. Each face will scale up and fade in to complete the wireframe effect. And that's it. We've built an interactive, rotating 3D wireframe cube using just HTML and CSS. Try experimenting with colors, speeds, or interactivity to make it your own. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.